Did you know that, on average, people spend over 12 hours a week on household chores? That's more than half a day each week dedicated to cleaning, organizing, and maintaining our living spaces. Imagine if there was a way to cut that time in half or even more. Wouldn't it be wonderful to reclaim those lost hours for activities that truly bring us joy? Enter the world of home hacks. Simple, innovative solutions that can transform how we manage our daily tasks, making life easier and more efficient. Home hacks are like little secrets that simplify our everyday activities. They help us tackle common struggles such as clutter, disorganization, and time-consuming chores. Most of us can relate to the frustration of spending too much time looking for lost items, cleaning up messes that seem to multiply overnight, or feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of tasks that await us. But fear not. With the following 15 home hacks, you can streamline your chores and create a more harmonious living environment. Chapter 1. Use a tension rod for cleaning supplies. Tired of rummaging through cabinets to find your cleaning supplies? Install a tension rod under your sink and hang spray bottles from it. This not only keeps your products organized and within reach, but also frees up valuable space in your cabinets. 2. Repurpose old muffin tins. Muffin tins can be a game changer for organizing small items. Use them to sort and store small craft supplies, screws, or even snacks. The compartments make it easy to find what you need without sifting through a jumbled mess. 3. Binder clips for cables. If your charging cables are always getting tangled, binder clips can be your best friend. Attach them to the edge of your desk and thread the cables through the metal arms. This keeps them organized and accessible, preventing the frustration of searching for a charger. 4. Use a shoe organizer for pantry storage. A shoe organizer can be a creative solution for pantry storage. Hang one on the back of your pantry door and use it to store snacks, spices, and other small items. This maximizes space and keeps everything visible and easy to access. 5. Use vinegar for odor elimination. If you're struggling with unpleasant odors in your home, vinegar is a powerful ally. Place a bowl of vinegar in a room to neutralize smells. It's especially effective in kitchens and bathrooms, and it's a natural, non-toxic solution. 6. Label everything. Labeling can drastically reduce clutter and confusion. Invest in a label maker or simply use masking tape and a marker to label boxes, bins, and drawers. This simple act helps everyone in the household know where things belong, making it easier to maintain order. 7. Freeze herbs in olive oil. If you often find yourself tossing out wilted herbs, try freezing them in olive oil using an ice cube tray. This way, you can pop out a cube whenever you need fresh herbs for cooking, minimizing waste and enhancing flavor. 8. Use a towel rack for wrapping paper. Wrapping paper can be cumbersome to store, often leading to tears and disorganization. Install a towel rack in your closet and use it to hold rolls of wrapping paper. This keeps them tidy and accessible for whenever you need to wrap a gift. 9. Squeegee for pet hair. If you have pets, you know how challenging it can be to remove their hair from carpets and upholstery. A simple squeegee can work wonders. Just run it over the surface, and the rubber edge will gather the hair into clumps for easy disposal. 10. Use a tension rod for pot lids. Pot lids can take up valuable cabinet space and often end up in a chaotic pile. Install a tension rod vertically in your cabinet to create a divider. This allows you to store lids upright, making them easy to access and organize. 11. Baking soda for carpet freshening. To keep your carpets smelling fresh, sprinkle baking soda over them and let it sit for a few hours before vacuuming. This absorbs odors and leaves your carpets looking and smelling rejuvenated. 12. Create a family command center. A designated family command center can help keep everyone organized. Use a bulletin board, calendar, or even a whiteboard to track schedules, appointments, and important reminders. This central hub minimizes confusion and keeps the household running smoothly. 13. Use old toothbrushes for cleaning. An old toothbrush can be a powerful cleaning tool for hard-to-reach areas. Use it to scrub grout, clean around faucets, or tackle other small spaces that need attention. It's a simple way to breathe new life into your cleaning routine. 14. Repurpose glass jars for storage. Don't throw away those glass jars. They can be repurposed for organizing everything from pantry staples to craft supplies. Clear jars allow you to see what you have at a glance, reducing clutter and waste. 15. Set a timer for chores. If you find yourself procrastinating on chores, set a timer for 15 or 20 minutes and challenge yourself to see how much you can accomplish in that time. This can make daunting tasks feel more manageable and even fun. Among these hacks, the most impressive might just be the Family Command Center. This simple addition can fundamentally change how you manage your household. By having a centralized location for schedules, reminders, and important information, you can reduce chaos and create a sense of harmony in your home. No more missed appointments or forgotten tasks. Everything is in one place, easily accessible to everyone in the family. In conclusion, the 15 home hacks shared here can significantly enhance your daily life, saving you time and reducing stress. From organizing cleaning supplies to creating a family command center, each hack offers a unique solution to common household challenges. By adopting these tips, you can transform your home into a more organized and efficient space, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, enjoying your life, and spending time with loved ones. So why not give these hacks a try? You might just find that managing your household becomes a whole lot easier.